Welcome back to GearUpWindows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to block YouTube ads in Mozilla Firefox browser on Windows 11 or 10. For this, first click on this one Firefox shortcut icon to open the Firefox browser on your Windows PC. Then click on this one menu icon and in the drop down menu select this one add-ons and themes option. In the left sidebar, click on this one extensions option. Now in the search box, type add guard, add blocker and press enter on the keyboard. Now in the search results, you will find add guard, add blocker at the top. Click on this one link. Now click on the add to Firefox button. Click on the add button in the pop-up window. In case you want to allow this extension in the private windows also, check this one option and then click on this one OK button. Now add guard, add blocker will be installed on your Firefox browser. The next time you will visit YouTube and watch any video, you will not see any ads on your Firefox browser. Even if you will visit any another websites, you will not see any ads